Hey, it's Alice Eva from eKidHub University, and I'm really excited to show you our Get Unstuck online business motivation kit. Now, this is perfect for you if you need a little help in some mindset areas, or you want to help your own customers who are trying to grow their businesses. Because the truth of the matter is that most people, the tools are out there, the instructions are out there on how to grow your business. But a lot of people get really stuck in these mindset blocks. And after a couple decades of teaching people to start an online business, figured out what a lot of people struggle with. So what we've done is identify 20 common mindset blocks, created these printable little posters that they can keep to remind themselves about this, keep it nearby in their journal, pin it on their wall, on their bulletin board, and also some companion audio. We offered an audio and video format to give them insight into why that block happens and how to take steps to get past it. So it's super practical. And also, if you are going to be sharing it with your audience, we have a totally done for you, ready to publish members area with all the content, all the videos, the stuff to download, the printable posters to download is ready for you. So let's take a closer look at everything that's included in the kit. So first up, we have the 20 printable posters that also serve as thumbnails. So we've given them to you in two sizes. You get a half page so your customers can print two to a page, and then they can keep those handy wherever it is meaningful to them. So you can fully customize these. We did in black and white because then they can be printed without using up ink, but you can obviously customize the colors. We give you the template, the Canva template link. If you don't use Canva, no problem. You will get the done for you images in PNG format. And there's also a PDF that you can give out for your customers to print everything out if they would like. So we have consistency is greater than motivation. Do it while you're motivated. Prepare for when you're not. Your inner voice is lying to you. And also here's one. People think they're so bad at technology, but they're not bad at it. They're just new at it. And everything feels hard before it feels easy. So in addition to that, we also have, I'll show you the folder that you will get. You will see that we also have the transcripts of all the audios we've created for you. Also, there is the text of all the posters in case you want to use them for something else. Your PLR license. There's a printable version of the posters, printable version of the thumbnail. So they're the same. They're just different sizes. So this is more suitable for your customers to print. But then we have the audio files. They are in audio format using an AI voice. But if you would like to redo them in your own voice, perhaps, then you have the script that you can follow. There's also a video format. So the thumbnail is already embedded. So it makes it easier to upload. You don't have to do anything else. And that's pretty much it with the content. But the really exciting part about this is that we've actually created a members area for you where your customers can just get the content. So here's a peek at this done for you members area. This is built using Numu, which if you are already using Numu, this is easy for you to add into your project. If you're not using us yet, you can take us for a 14-day trial, but it's super simple. We have set everything up for you. All you'd have to do is update your logo. Don't have a logo to put there. Don't worry about it. Remove that. There's space for your promotions and everything else. But everything else on this page is ready to go. There's instructions. There is a place for them to download the posters. And obviously, if you update anything, you just update it to your own PDF and show the posters that you created. But here along the left, they can watch any of the videos that they want, anything that suits their needs, or they can watch them all. And it just pops up in a little video. So let's take a peek at one of these and you'll be able to see. So not only do we have the poster, we also have the action steps, that stuff that I was talking about, that it gives them not just this little saying that they can print out, but also some good, solid information to recognize the problem and how to start taking action to get past it. Let's have a listen.
Build the habit, not the whole business today. When you feel behind, it's tempting to try to do everything at once. But burnout doesn't build businesses. Habits do. Reframe it like this. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to show up more often. Your action: set one small habit goal this week. Maybe it's 15 minutes a day of focused work. Maybe it's checking in every morning. Stick with it. Habits make you unstoppable, even on off days.
Also, these videos we uploaded to our channel, and you have the video content, so you could actually upload the videos to your channel and swap it out in the pop-ups. It will be super easy to do. Here's another one of my favorites, a topic of learning is not doing. Watching another course isn't progress. Taking the first step is. So take it now, and let's have a listen to the audio.
Learning is not doing. Courses, videos, tutorials feel like progress. But consuming information isn't the same as implementing it. Too much input without output creates confusion, not clarity. Reframe it like this: you don't need another course. You need to try what you already know. Action step: choose one thing you've learned recently and put it into practice today, even if it's messy. Learning sticks when it's used, not studied.
All right. And so also, if you want to upload your video right to Numu and it won't have any of that YouTube branding at all, that is an option. We do have video hosting options, and you'll be all set to go. But either way, in just a couple minutes, you click the funnel link, you'll be able to grab this template, add it to your Numu account, and send your customers there for this content. So pretty cool, hey? If you're interested in this, be sure to click the button below and get started. And if you're looking for even more done for you content or ways to get unstuck in your business and moving forward with the help of decades of online business marketing experience, we're happy to help you in the Platinum Inner Circle Club. You can add that as a special add-on with some extra bonus content that's done for you and ready to teach your audience. Hope to see you there.